67 IH farmer, just about to start up this engine, a Kohler K, 321. And I have the ignition coil right here sitting over. I don't know if this condenser needs to be grounded, like the body of the condenser needs to be grounded. I'll find out how soon. But I had the negative going to the points right here, and I got that going to the negative on the ignition coil, and I got the positive going to the jumper cables to the battery starter, battery charger, and then I got it so I can just take this off and it's still connected to the ignition coil when I want to start it. And I got negative always on the block, and then I don't have any fuel in it. I just put some ether in there. It's been in there for a little bit. Put the spark plug on there, let that sit in there. Let's see if I can get this spark plug wire to latch on there. I'm gonna find a place to put this. I don't have a lot of room. I'll get a block and set a block on that. This will work. Move them off to the side. Put this block right there so I can set this right there. I got another block to get that a little bit higher. This will work. See what that does. So give a little bit more spray of ether, open up the choke, open up the throttle, get the ether. Make sure it's pointed in the right direction. Close up the choke so it doesn't come out. Close up the throttle. Let's see what I can do here. Take this off for now, and I'll turn it up to 200 cold cranking amps, and then turn the battery charger on, and we'll see what we get from here. I hope we get a fire, and I don't know. I'll let you guys know, because this is, if I don't hold the engine, it's gonna fall off the stand. So I just had a successful trial, and I just took it off the I just took it off the stands or whatever. It has a lot of voltage coming out of the spark plug. I just got shocked by the spark plug. Trying to put a block under it. Let's try this again. I just unhooked all the electronics. There's no power going to it. Unhooked ground. And that's how I shut the engine off too. I unhooked the ground. So put that underneath it. And get this. Put that on. Gotta find something to rest that on. There's a pretty good block. Hook this up this way. Put the ignition coil on that. See what that does. And then we'll hook up our ground. So now we got power going to it. The ground's hooked up. And now we touch the positive on the starter, and it should fire up just like last time. I think I burned through all the ether. I'll give it a little bit more. Open up the choke and the throttle. Grab my ether. Close up the choke. Close up the throttle. And we'll try it again. Now this is gonna fly all over the place. And it ran, if you heard it. A little bit of ether and got it to run. Runs on ether, so why shouldn't it run on gas? I guess I can put it in my cadet now and hook everything up. That's the wrong carburetor for that engine. I need a little bit bigger carburetor. I think this engine's good. It sounds good, runs good. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the Cub Cadet 125 engine swap part 5. I believe it's coming up next. Thanks for watching.